How do I redeem my gift card on DoorDash?
Welcome, folks. Today we're tackling a commonly asked question. How do I redeem my gift card on DoorDash? If you've got a gift card burning a hole in your pocket, we're here to guide you through the process of redeeming it. Let's dive in.
What do I need beforehand?
First off, let's ensure we have everything we need. For this process, you're going to need two things. 1. Your DoorDash gift card. Make sure you have your gift card at hand, as you'll need the unique code on it. 2. A DoorDash account. If you don't have one yet, simply download the DoorDash app on your phone or visit their website and sign up.
Where do I enter my gift card code?
Now that you have your essentials, let's get down to business. 1. Open the DoorDash app on your phone or head over to their website. 2. Log into your account. 3. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. 4. Select credits and gift cards.
How do I apply the gift card code?
This is where your gift card code comes in. 1. On the Credits and Gift Cards page, find the box labeled Gift Card Promo Code. 2. Enter your gift card code into the box. 3. Hit Redeem. If the code is valid, the amount on your gift card will be added to your account balance immediately. And that's it. You have now successfully redeemed your DoorDash gift card. Now all that's left is to decide what delicious dish you're going to order with your newfound credit. Enjoy your meals, and remember, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share this video.